Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. First of all, we hope all of you are from Turkey or Syria, are safe, and you haven't lost anyone following last week's earthquake. Stay safe guys, and hopefully everything gets back to normal soon. In terms of trading, another amazing trading week, and we really hope all of you guys made money. Those of you who are new to We Trade Waves channel, make sure guys to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. So keep watching till the end, and let's start with the XY. We Trade Waves. For this one, all of you know the bigger picture. We have covered this one more than once on our YouTube channel and on our social media platforms. You know the story here for the liquidity. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. After this drop, we've got this up wave. This was after an FP. After this up move, market gave us a corrective structure, a small one push up. We finished this up wave, and market started to give us a corrective structure. I'll go to the 1 hour chart here once I finish this explanation. So we've got up, correction, up, corrective structure, push up. This was the first impulse of the next structure. After that, market gave us a correction, and we've got this up move. Before this up wave, we have updated you everywhere. Our official links are in the description under this video. So, for this one, after this impulsive move, we've got a correction and market went up. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to show you what happened here before this up move. This is the 1 hour chart. After this up wave from here to here, market went down, it gave us up wave, correction, equal lows, push up, and then the fall. What do you think we have under these lows? Liquidity. And this is not the first time guys, I'm covering this here on our YouTube channel. After this drop, we've got a correction, push down, and the market started to push up. If you are one of our WTW members, you'll know that we've got the perfect setup for this up wave. And if you know guys how to trade correctly and how to read the charts, you'll be able to make money trading the next wave. So, can all of you see the liquidity under these two lows? Every time you have equal lows or equal highs, be aware about liquidity. And liquidity guys, it was our topic covered during our last monthly Q&A session. It was very important, and all our monthly Q&A sessions are recorded and posted inside WTW members' dashboards. Anyway, we've got a correction here, and after that, market started to push up. What's next? For the XY, I'm still biased to the upside. So any pullback or any corrective structure, it will be just short-term move for another push up. Correction, up again. So anytime market will give me a sell setup, I will ignore it. And anytime I get a buy setup, I will go for it. What if the next scenario? This wave guys, if it starts to be impulsive and it goes all the way down to break this low, I will ignore the sell setups and I will be looking for my buy setups again. Because this down wave, it might just to give us a bigger corrective structure before the next up wave. In all the cases, I am biased to the upside. The first scenario is what I'm looking for. If market gives us the second scenario, we will wait, we will go for the buy setups again. Is that clear guys? Euro dollar, last week we said we are still biased to the downside. Market started to fall, gave us a small corrective structure, one more drop, a bigger corrective structure here, and then the fall. This is your trade. If you get in this sell, a lot of our traders get in this sell here, this was perfect. Here we've got another trade, and here market gave us another chance. I know a lot of you trade euro dollar, and we hope you get in the sell and you made money. What's next? We're expecting this one guys to fall more. So any corrective structure here, it will give us one more chance to go for another sell. We are still biased to the downside. Well, Alan, what if the market will push up from here? If so, we'll ignore any buy setup and we will let market unfold. Until we get our sell setups, we will not trade it. And like I said, we've made money here, here, and in this one as well. This forecast is for those who are not in. Wait for market to correct for one more push down. After this drop, market can start to give us a big corrective structure. Or if this big corrective structure will start from here, it's the same thing. We are biased to the downside. But this is not enough. You have to learn how to trade the next wave correctly in order to make money. How to do that? Your only solution is to join WTW membership. It's the only membership you need to become an independent, successful trader. To not take too much time explaining about WTW membership here, all the details are in the description under this video or on our website. For you dollar, all of you are in the sell, move your stops and let the market unfold. Pound dollar, amazing. We've got this drop here after a contracting flat. Market gave us a pullback, another fall. Corrective structure, one more drop. A pullback, one more push down, and the market started to push up. All of this, guys, was part of the corrective structure. And we said last week, correction, drop, and then a big corrective structure will start. Look at this. This was, guys, last week's forecast. And look at the levels as well. Under 1.20 and above 1.2150. Nothing is magical, guys. It's all about knowledge, experience, and mastering the concept. You have the opportunity to become an independent, successful trader. Do not lose it. So, after this upwave as a pullback or a corrective structure, market started to fall. We've got a small correction here, another drop. What's next? Looks like market will correct for another fall. In all the cases, we are still expecting pound dollar to fall more, either after a small corrective structure or a big corrective structure. No matter what the market will do, we are still expecting pound dollar to break this low. Once this low is taken, a big corrective structure can start anytime. For now, we are still biased to the downside, and if you are already in the sell, you move your stops and let the market unfold. Well, Alan, what if market will push up from here? If so, I'm not interested. If market will push up from here 500 pips, it's not my trade. Perfect. Is there any way that this structure can change? 100%. How you can spot a change of structure for pound dollar and how the change of structure looks like? This will be covered in details during our Sunday live session. To get access to our Sunday live session, guys, you have to subscribe to WTW membership. Aussie dollar, not only about the waves, not only about the timing. By the way, all of you who missed last week's forecast, once you finish this one, go back, guys, and watch it. Try to watch the past 3 to 4 forecasts. You'll see the power of knowledge and we trade waves wave analysis concept. Now, for Aussie dollar, our WTW members must remember the levels 0.69, 0.70, and 0.68. Those levels, guys, were given to our WTW members during the live sessions. Every single level, market has tapped. And now we are waiting for the next one, which is 68. If market gives us a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. In all the cases, you must be already in the sell from here or from here. This was a clear corrective structure and market has fallen. Once market taps 0.68, a big corrective structure will start or another impulsive move. We will cover this one later on. For now, let's wait for 0.68 and then we'll update you. So what is the difference between YouTube and the live sessions? During the live sessions, guys, we cover the macroeconomic factors, fundamentals, we give you the levels, we explain the structures in details, we cover more pairs, indices, cryptos, and we give you trades of the week. At the same time, you can ask us questions live. Anyway, market was moving exactly as predicted. You know what? Let me show you this.
Expect a reaction just close to 7.0. If market gives you this reaction before rate statement, you can trade this to the downside. Next reaction would be below 68.5 and 68. Aussie dollar, similar reaction for the Aussie dollar as well. Went down, broke 69, now heading towards 7.0, broke that one. It might tap back again once more, 7.0, and then heading for the 68 level. So 2 levels are tapped. One is 69, second 7.0. Now the third one will be 68.
And this is the market in front of you. every single Sunday session you are missing, guys, or every single Q&A session, you are really missing out. We are making a lot of money from trading. A lot of our members are making ton of money. And in terms of funded trader challenges, they are killing it. Every single week, we have members passing those challenges. You can go to our website and check it by yourself. 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗆. You know the story about this structure? And those of you who don't know about it, go back and watch our previous 3 to 4 forecasts. We have forecasted every single wave here in advance. And now after this up move, market gave us a correction, it went back up. We've got a gap here, market pulled back, another push up. This up wave, guys, it was needed regardless of the gap and regardless of anything. The structure, guys, was in need for this up wave, and we've got it. You know that this was expected and this is what we have said. You can always go back to our YouTube channel and check the previous forecasts. After this up wave, we've got the drop. This drop also was forecasted. After that, market corrects, and we've got this drop as well. Regardless of what BOJ are doing, and regardless of any announcement about the administration, this drop here was needed for the structure. And 130 level was given to WTW members before this drop, or before this wick. Perfect. What's next? We're expecting this one now to push up. This structure, guys, it's bullish at the moment, which means any buy setup, it might be a good buy. And this up wave, it might go all the way up to break this top once more. This is more than enough for the structure to go up now. And if any one of you get in the buy, make sure to manage your trade and move your stops in the direction of your trade. New Zealand dollar, we've got this drop and market gave us a corrective structure. This corrective structure, guys, if you get in the buy, it was more than enough for you to make small profits or even big profits if you entered correctly. After this corrective structure, we've got this drop. For now, the structure is in the middle. I will leave this pair and focus on other ones. It's a 50-50 probability chance now. Market can go up or can go down. So for this one, I will leave it for now and focus on other pairs. Pound yen, this was messy. We've got here a gap, a drop, corrective structure, one more fall, and this might be a contracting flat for one more push up. Usually, we do not trade contracting flats, but we have a strategy, we have a structure on how to trade these contracting flats and make money. So, one possibility here is this. Any other structure, any other move, if market will break this low, we'll update you later on. For now, this is what we can say. USOIL, market gave us a small corrective structure here, one more fall, and then we started to push up. This structure, guys, gets completed under this low, and you've got a pullback. This is not a reversal. This is still part of the structure, and I'm still biased to the downside for USOIL. If we get a sell setup, we'll go for it. I was expecting this to fall more and break this low, but it didn't. As a trader, you will get wins and you will get losses. That's for sure. If you learn how to manage your losses wisely, your wins will take care of themselves. Where to learn that? WTW membership. Gold, crazy. After this drop, we said market will correct for another fall. Not only that, guys, even if you master the structure, even if you know Elliott waves or any wave analysis concept, or if you are mastering chart patterns, indicators, moving averages, smart money concept, order block, if you don't master the structure, you still have a lot to learn. 1890 was the level we were waiting for. And look how the market corrects upside, touched 1890, and went down towards 1850. These two levels were given during our live Sunday and Wednesday sessions. Not only that, after market correcting and reaching the levels, we've got the perfect setup. This was the trade. I know a lot of you trade gold, and you hope, guys, that you made money trading every single wave of it. What's next? Looks like market will correct for another fall. So we are still biased to the downside for gold. Any change of structure, we will try our best to update you. You know that this is not moving only based on structures. 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗿𝘆, we've got this up wave, we broke this top, and market started to correct. This correction, guys, and one push up, it was needed for the structure. What after this up move? Market gave us a corrective structure, and looks like it's ready to move up now. This up wave, guys, it might be a corrective structure or an impulsive wave. For now, any buy setup we got, we will go for it. And once we get in, we will manage the trade. Our bias is toward the upside. If you have any different point of view, you don't have to follow us blindly. And none of you guys should follow us blindly. If your bias aligns with ours, you go for the trade. Take our forecast as an additional tool to your system. Now, if you don't have a system, you don't have a plan, join WTW membership. We will teach you everything. Silver, we've got a small correction, a drop, correction drop, a bigger corrective structure, and then another fall. What's next? Looks like market will correct here for another drop. We are still biased to the downside for silver. And I think most of you remember this forecast, guys, and this structure. Market went up, it gave us a correction, one push up, we broke these two tops, liquidity grab, and then the fall. All of you took this sell, or are selling from any level here. Move your stops and let the market unfold. I'm still expecting silver to drop more. And I'm repeating, we are not controlling the market. Market can do whatever it wants to do. But most of you know our high accuracy. Bitcoin, market is making an interesting structure. We've got a correction here, another pullback, and then a drop. If you are trading Bitcoin and you bought from here, this must have been a break-even trade or a small loss. If you are investing in Bitcoin, market is giving you a better price, a discounted price. Now, if this is the corrective structure, market can push up from here. Or this will be the start of a big corrective structure, which means correction drop, corrective structure, another fall, and then the up wave. If that happens, guys, it will be even better. And this is not the only scenario. We have another possibility where Bitcoin can break previous low once more. The bigger picture, all scenarios, along with the levels, entries and targets, all of this will be covered in details during this Sunday session. So if you trade Bitcoin or you are looking to invest in Bitcoin, make sure to not miss this Sunday session. All the possibilities will be covered. Nifty, we are covering this one this week based on your requests. Last week we covered Aussie 200 and we said we are looking for sell setups. Market has fallen. Those of you are trading indices and who sold Aussie dollar, you can take profits, guys, or you manage your trades. It was a great move. This week I'm covering this for you. And again, this is based on your requests. What market is doing, this is a corrective structure and a tricky one. In all the cases, one more push down is very possible. This is the trade that I will go for if I'm trading Nifty. And this down move, guys, it can go all the way down to break this low once more. If I'm trading Nifty, I will look for my sell setups. Any buy setup from current levels, I'll ignore it. After this drop, we'll update you. If you have, guys, any question about any other pair, make sure to join WTW membership, and all other pairs will be covered during our Sunday live session. With that note, do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notification every time we are posting a video or a post, and wait from me an update during the week. Trade with care, do not jump in, do not overtrade or overrisk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. As a trader, WTW membership is all you need to become successful. Give it a try, you won't regret it. First thing first, as soon as you sign up, you will get access to WTW Masterclass. It will be the latest Masterclass course. 8 videos with summarized lesson notes in 5 languages: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Chinese, and Arabic. You will get access to the 2 weekly live sessions that will be conducted by T every Sunday and Wednesday. You will get access to the section of trades of the week, month, and year. And this time, guys, we are posting these trades as pictures. So you click the pictures and you will see the explanation or the direction. For the first time, we are including monthly live Q&A session with me, where we'll discuss structures in details, new patterns, because remember, market is always changing. Also, we'll discuss a lot of charts, trade setups, and any question you might have. This Q&A session, guys, will be live and it will be recorded. So if you cannot attend live, you can access the recording and we'll have recording archive as well. Remember, all of this is inside one single membership, WTW membership. On top of that, we're including useful links such as calculators, Forex hours, the news, the calendar, risk calculators, comparison about funded trader challenges companies, and a lot more. We have a tab for psychology tips. These guys are very, very important to strengthen your psychology because remember, psychology is a big part in trading. So we are making sure that you have a strong psychology and correct mindset. After 3 months of your subscription, you will get access to more strategies. We'll give you the plan on how to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. Also, after 3 months, you will be automatically added to our private global trading Slack community. This, guys, is where all our traders are meeting on a daily basis. Our seniors and moderators will be giving daily live sessions. And once you go through the website pages, you will know the benefits of joining the private Slack community. So after 3 months, you will get access to all of this at no additional cost. Which means, if you are paying $115 per month, you will keep paying $115 per month, but you will get access to all of this automatically. All you have to do, go to our website and see how our members are making progress. See how many of our members are making profits and how many of them are passing funded trader challenges. Why I'm emphasizing on funded trader challenges? Because it's not easy to pass them. You know the rules and you have to be disciplined to pass these funded trader challenges.